Welcome to my class on Vedic Maths. In today's lesson, we are going to learn Vedic multiplication. We will learn how to multiply numbers between 12 to 19 with any number also from 12 to 19. So let us take a look at the questions. Question number 1 is 12 times 30. Both the numbers are between 12 and 19. So first step is add this first number to the units place of second number. You have to add them. So 12 plus 3 is 15. And then multiply units place of both the digits and write just after this slash sign. So 3 times 2 is 6. So answer is 156, that is 156. That is our answer. In a similar way, we will do other questions. Method, I hope it is clear to you. First you add the first digit with the units place of second digit. So 12 plus 3, that gives you 15. Then slash. Then multiply the units place of both the digits. 2 times 3, that gives you 6. The final answer is 156. Now question number 2 is 13 times 40. So 13 added to 4 gives you 17 slash 3 times 4, that is 12. And then next step, in this case we will have 2 steps because here we have got 2 digits. So add this 1 to 7 and that gives you 1, 8 and 2. 182 is our answer. Similarly, question number 3, 14 plus 5, 19, and then add, then slash, and then 4 times 5, that gives you 20, and then add this 2 to 9 and you get 21 and 0. That is your answer for number 3. Coming to number 4, 15 plus 6, that is 21, and 5 times 6, that is 30, and then add this 3 to 1, so you get the answer 2, 3 plus 1, 4 and 0. So 240 is your answer. Similarly, 16 plus 7 and 6 times 7. So 16 plus 7 is 23 and 6 times 7 is 42. The final answer will be 272. I hope the steps are clear so far. Let us take a look at now squaring a number. You can see over here we have to multiply 13 times 13, that is 13 square. So same process, 13 plus 3, 16, and 3 times 3, that is 9. So 169 is the answer. 14 plus 4 is 18, and 4 times 4 is 16. So 196 is the answer. 15 plus 5 is 20, and 5 times 5 is 25. Adding this 2, we get 225. That is our answer. 16 times 16, that is 16 square. Question number 4. So 16 plus 6 is 22. 6 times 6 is 36. Now add 2 and 3, so 5. So answer is 256. It is natural and fast. With little practice you can even do it in fraction of seconds. Now, here are some practice questions for you. You can do the questions and write your answers in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more details about other courses, you can visit my website situtors.in. Thank you. See you in the next video.